is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit. Welcome to another travel vlog. Hey! Today is a beautiful day. We're here in Donsol, Sorsogon, about to take a boat to Masabate. If you guys are wondering how much is the boat fee, it's a private boat that can fit up to 10 people and it's 8,500 for the entire boat. The boatman suggested yesterday that we should do the market already while we're here in the mainland. So there are not much restaurants once we reach Ticao. They picked us up right in front of our hotel. We're staying in a more beach resort. Martin's vlogging. Make sure to check out his YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link below. Head over. Head over.
1 hour later.
1 hour of intense boat ride. We're finally here, Ticao Island, with the crew.
Yes.
Welcome. Our tour guide said that we can spot some white-tip sharks, baby sharks here.
Ooh.
Baby shark.
Baby shark, baby shark. So now we're gonna jump in the waters here.
We're here in Aaliyah Beach. Our first stop here in Ticao Island.
What's going on?
Masabate.
Welcome to another beautifully stunning day.
The small ones.
Wow. Baby shark.
Found some island cats. And island dogs. Cutie pie. Good girl. Good girl kayo, no? Good girl siya. Good girl. That's our nice little hut for today. Hello. So we had to pay 300 pesos just to dock in this beach and also use the kubo. Hey guys, so how was the snorkeling experience for you? What did you guys see?
White tip shark.
White tip shark. How many? Wow! What about you, Mike?
One shark, one stonefish,
Hmm?
a big clownfish because I've seen. I saw a nice jellyfish.
Hmm.
That was pretty jellyfish. Seahorse.
What about you, Martin?
Saw two sharks like interacting with each other. That was different.
Hmm.
Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
got liempo, grilled talong or eggplant, and ginataang manok with tanglad. Yay! Of course, our rice. I don't have a plate, so I made one out of banana leaves. This is where I'm going to eat. And then, of course, magkakamay ako. I'm gonna use my hands. Kain na! About 30 to 40 minutes from Aaliyah Beach. I don't know if you can hear me. It's quite windy, but this place, this island is stunning. Oh my god, there it is! Wow! Wow! You guys see that? Guys, we finally made it here in Catandayagan Waterfalls in Ticao, Masabate. Oh my gosh. This is the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen that leads straight to the ocean. And also, this is my first waterfall that I've seen that leads straight to the ocean.
Okay, the drone's up. I'm too chicken to fly. Martin's gonna fly the drone because I'm too chicken to fly here.
Whoa, it's in the vlog, Nelly. First time.
If we crash one drone, we still have a second one for the rest of the trip.
Okay, okay. What can you say about that, Nelly?
I'm just going to sit here and watch.
Yes. And let's swim.
Yeah,
I think the girls will swim.
Yeah, let's do that.
So Martin is going to lift up his drone. I don't know how is he gonna do that.
Oh, there's a place over there.
There's a place? Okay. Alright. If you say so, be careful. Okay? I believe in you. Okay. Very good, very good. Now that Martin is droning, I will show to you guys the waterfalls from above in 3, 2, 1.
Anywhere you wanna, this is me. Tell me where you wanna go. About it. Tell me where you wanna. Let's go for gold. Tell me where you wanna
That's like out of a freaking movie.
Insane.
Hey, Martin's about to land. The drone.
Oh,
Wow! The drone master. only ones here. The other boats has already left. We got the place all to ourselves.
I'll start over here.
Okay.
Abby, you have to go a little
Yeah,
bit.
sorry.
I just want to try to.
You guys, we had the privilege of owning the waterfalls for about 30 minutes. Woo, super happy. Now it's time to leave because the waves can get a little rough when we go home late. So, can't believe I'm here. Finally, Ticao. You're amazing. Bye bye. Okay. I'm starting to love Masabate. Even if we're only in Masabate for one day.
It didn't feel stressful. It's my first time in my life.
Those waves are big. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you.
Thank you. We finally made it back to Donsol after a 2-hour boat journey from Ticao. It was supposed to be 50 minutes to 1 hour, but it's like an hour and a half to 2 hours for us. It was crazy. Not gonna lie, I got super scared. But we made it. I can't wait to shower, freshen up, eat, and chill. And good morning, everyone. Yesterday's boat ride was pretty intense, not gonna lie. I'm super stressed out, but we made it alive. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below which part of this vlog is your favorite. Share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to your neighbors, your aunts, uncles, all over the world. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the most beautiful waterfalls in southern Luzon travel vlog. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys on the next travel vlog. Bye.